In question number 7th, now we are solving question number 7th from the NCERT book, 9th class mathematics 10.6 exercise. AC and BD are chords of a circle which bisect each other. We have to prove AC and BD are diameter and ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, so according to the statement, this is the diagram. AC and BD are two chords. They are bisecting each other at point O. So first I am taking the triangle AOB and COD. So AO will be equal to OC as the chords are bisecting at point O. OB is equal to OD and angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by the vertically opposite angles. So this triangle AOB and COD are congruent to each other, and by CPCT we can say AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. Now similarly we are taking in the triangle BOC and DOA. In these two triangle we are taking OB is equal to OD, OC equal to OA, and again this angle and this angle vertically opposite angle. So by the second pair of triangle we are getting BC equal to AD. This BC and this AD equal to AD. Now ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral, is the parallelogram as it opposite the sides of opposite sides are equal. AB equal to CD. From the first pair of triangle we got AB equal to CD, and the second pair of triangles we got BC and AD are equal. So it will be ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. First it was a cyclic quadrilateral, then now we have proved it is a parallelogram. So opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. Angle B equal to angle C. Angle B will be equal to angle B equal to angle D and angle A equal to angle C. So this will be angle A equal to angle C. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, and by the sum property of the cyclic quadrilateral, angle A and angle C, the sum of pair of opposite angle will be equal to 180 degree. So it will be angle C. So angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So we can replace C by angle A. So angle A equal to 90 degree. Angle C will be equal to 90 degree. Similarly, angle B and angle D equal to 90 degree. Now we can say a parallelogram whose all angles are 90 degrees, so it will be a rectangle. Hence ABCD is a rectangle. Now AC is subtending angle ABC 90 degree at the center. See, we just proved that all the angles are 90 degree. So this AC is bisecting 90 degree. Hence it means it is a semicircle, and it is only possible when AC is the diameter. Second, BD again subtending angle BAD at the circle, and it is only possible when BAD is a semicircle, and when it will be possible when BD is the diameter. Hence AC and BD are the diameter of the circle. So now question number 7th we have solved by the congruency criteria, by the parallelogram property, cyclic quadrilateral property, rectangle property we have to verify, and now the semicircle subtending diameter subtend 90 degree angle at the semicircle. So that's it. Now question number 9th. Two congruent circles intersect each other at point A and B through any line segment PAQ is drawn so that PQ lie on two circle, prove that BP is equal to BQ. Okay, first we have two congruent circle which is intersecting each other at point A and B. Okay, so by the help of statement I have drawn the diagram. These two are congruent circles and they are intersecting at point A and B. Second, PAQ is the line segment and P and Q lying on the two different circle. We have to prove PB is equal to PQ. Okay, so first we will join the AB, and this is the common chord. It is a common chord for the both the circle, and it is the equal line segment for both the circle. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 as angle subtended by the same segment. Okay, so AB forming the angle subtending the angle 1 at the first circle, and the same segment is forming the angle 2 on the second circle, and both the circle are congruent. That's why angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Now we will take in triangle in PBQ, in triangle PBQ, angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. We just proved. So angle 2 की opposite side है AB, angle 1 की opposite side है PQ. Hence we can apply the property of inner triangle, side opposite to equal, angles are equal. So PB is equal to QB. Only the diagram is conceptual base. First we will draw the diagram, then it will be very easy for us to understand the question. Here it is solution which I have explained in the diagram.